So when we set out to build a trolling motor, we decided that we couldn't afford to add something to our product lineup that didn't stand up to our reputation. But what we really needed it to be was the world's best trolling motor. And I think when you put one on the bow of your boat, you will really appreciate the efforts that we put into it. We decided, blank slate. We are not going to buy anything off the shelf. We needed to have components that would perform the way we needed them to, and they just don't exist. So we had to develop everything from the ground up. And because we did that, we were able to really dial it in. We were able to make steering motors and propulsion motors and the entire apparatus so that they would be extremely reliable and extremely durable. Quality was the #1 requirement. How well can you keep the water out of it? How well is it sealed? What's going to happen if I run aground into something? That's a big deal. We decided to look into the most advanced brushless motor drivers and then tuned it ourselves. We tuned it to match the weight of the unit, the size of the prop, the power, the voltage. Everything was perfectly matched to produce the most efficient and quiet propulsion and the most efficient and quiet steering. The fish will never hear you coming. We coupled that to the shaft using a planetary gearbox. You don't have a drivetrain of just one gear that turns another gear. There's actually redundant gears. You could totally blow all the teeth off of all but one gear, and there's 6 of them, and it would still steer. On the shaft, we know from experience and also doing our research that that is a big failure point. If you run into something, your shaft splinters, it's game over. You get water in your motor and everything stops working. So we chose a titanium shaft. The titanium shaft is stronger than fiberglass, lighter weight than fiberglass, and will outlast fiberglass. And if you happen to run into something at the point to where fiberglass would normally shatter, the titanium shaft might bend a little bit, but you're still fishing, you're still getting home, and you can still use it. And that is why we offer a lifetime warranty on it. So what does the addition of the PowerPole Move mean to the family of products of Total Boat Control? For over 20 years, we've been manufacturing the PowerPole Shallow Water Anchor, hands down the best way to stop your boat. We've been manufacturing the PowerPole Charge for 5 years, lights out on charging your batteries at your house or on the run. Now we have the ability to move your boat with all the same technology and benefits that you've experienced over the past of all of our other products. The PowerPole Move is something we're very excited about, and I can't wait for you to have an opportunity to put one on your boat.